Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. I'm out on the road again training and providing value to all real estate agents and business owners. And we got another big class coming to Georgia. And this is going to be on Thursday, July 13th, and it's going to be hosted by RE/MAX Premier. We're going to be doing a full day workshop, and all of the hours that we're going to be providing and training, it's all going to be CE certified for real estate agents in the state of Georgia. So in the morning from 9 a.m. to noon, we're going to do Become Google Great. This is a hands-on workshop. Bring your laptop, bring your tablet. I'm going to show you how to build and grow your business with Google. We've got real estate agents that are adding an extra $100,000 to $200,000 a year, year over year, with these free techniques from Google. We'll show you how to do that in the morning. Take our lunch break for 30 minutes, come back. We're going to have another power session on lead generation from 12:30 to 3:30 called Generate More Leads for Free. The record for this class is 63 listings in 1 hour for one agent and an $8.25 million buyer in 30 minutes. You don't want to miss this day. Register below. The total cost is only going to be $50. So you're going to get great training, 6 hours of CE credit, lunch for $50. You can't beat that. Space is limited though, so you need to RSVP quickly. We're going to be located at the 200 Galleria Parkway in Atlanta, Georgia, in the first floor conference room. Again, hosted by RE/MAX Premier, open to all RE/MAX agents and their guests. I will see you guys very, very soon. Thanks.